If you're looking for project management software, Asana and Wrike has probably come across your mind or your computer screen. Today we're going to put them head to head. We want to know which one is better suited for your personal and business needs. So without further ado, let's get digging. Alright, so if you haven't heard of Asana, you have been living under a rock. Asana actually offers powerful project management tools to organize work in a visual representation. Tasks can be broken down into more customizable sections like ready or in progress or done, which is great. You can actually also have your projects feature personalized cover images and flexible task configurations for your team's specific needs. This is great if you need to just break down more complex things into simplified little boxes. Also, you get this timeline view, right? So this feature actually provides a clear visual overview of project progress in a Gantt chart style. It actually displays task dependencies as well as each milestone, helping your team meet a deadline when it needs to. Also, the timeline promotes collaboration and adapts to project changes. You get visual progress tracking, task dependencies, as well as a flexible workflow plan. The workflow, talking about the workflows and their automations, Asana actually offers 36 automation options to streamline repetitive tasks and your processes. Rules can assign tasks, update statuses, and send notifications automatically. This, of course, can save you tons of time on that manual, mundane, boring stuff. And you can actually focus more on high value work or more high priority. Also, goals and reporting. So Asana helps set company-wide goals and track progress in real time. This means that while it's setting company-wide goals, you can also set team-wide and individual goals, and this can all be tracked in real time. Custom dashboards visualize metrics like project status and team workload, and reports align daily tasks with strategic objectives, which boost your transparency as well as your accountability. This is amazing. The last thing, of course, we need to talk about what it's going to cost you and how hard it is to learn. Yes, there are one or two drawbacks. So paid plans are a little bit more costly for smaller teams. If you are a small team or a small organization, maybe their cost is not aligned with your budget. Also, because it's so feature rich, it can be quite overwhelming. There's tons of features. You may even need to get some additional training so that you can really use the software as best to its ability. So, Wrike Task Management. Wrike simplifies organizing, assigning, and tracking tasks with an intuitive interface. You can get quick updates on your statuses, you can set priorities, and you can monitor workloads to keep your team aligned with the needs of a project, and you can keep your projects on track. You get Gantt charts, so visualize project timelines for clear scheduling and progress tracking, manage task dependencies to prevent bottlenecks and delays, and you get real-time adjustments that ensure deadlines are met efficiently, and you can optimize your resource allocation across all project phases, which is amazing. AI-powered analytics. This is always great because where our human limitations come into play, we have artificial intelligence powered tools that can really dig deeper than what we can in a fraction of the time. So you have risk prediction, task prioritization, and actionable insights. This allows you to identify potential issues before they actually impact your deadlines. It also allows you to focus on high impact tasks, which will boost your productivity naturally. And you also get real-time data drives, which drive smarter decision making, which of course this is amazing, and this is done all within a few seconds or minutes. You also get custom workflows. You can adapt workflows to fit your team's unique needs. You can set up automated approvals to eliminate manual steps and streamline operations and reduce project delays. All in all, this is going to save you tons of time, and also that effort that you put into the boring, mundane things, You can build a workflow and it'll do everything for you. So you build it once and it works on its own. One or two of the drawbacks, of course, with such complex software, there will always be a steep learning curve. This is something that we need to take into consideration when we are looking at software at this caliber. So if you are a new user, it can be quite complex initially. One of the other things is the advanced tools like their time tracking. It does require higher tier plans, so it's not part of the free plan. And this will maybe restrict smaller teams or anybody that is on a budget. So there you go, folks. Project management software at a glance. The key takeaway here really is to explore both of these tools and see which one fits your personal needs. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we will see you next time.